Hi, Sarah here. I've got a quick haul video for you today. All these are from Fab Planner Print, which you can find over at Etsy. I will leave a link below, as well as my PR code, which is 10Sarah, which will get you 10% off if you see anything that you'd like to purchase yourself. Okay, so without further ado, first off I have this Vellum with unicorn cupcakes on it and some scripty font. If I put this there, you'll be able to read it. So it says, "Roll me in fairy dust and call me a unicorn." And it has this beautiful, cute little unicorns all over it, and then the back as well. It's super cute, and they come in various sizes depending on what planner you have. I have the sticker kit as well that goes with it. You can get these in various sizes for different planners depending which style you want to go for, but they all have the same pretty unicorns on them. So this is the first page. Apologies if you can hear my little boy in the background. Got some ombre checkboxes and lists. I love these half boxes with the faded design in the centre. There's also some habit trackers on there and some glitter ones. Here's some functionals. To do today, little things this week, important. And then these lovely scripty ones at the top there as well. And there's a weekend banner, lots of deco stickers there, the days of the week, and boxes in the bottom. The header washi type stickers, and oops, that way around. There's days of the week as well for a meal planner or something. So that is the unicorn kit. I'm not sure the exact name of it, but I will leave it linked below along with my code so you can go check it out. Next up we have this cute butterfly kit. So the first sheet we have to do some boxes, some thin washi style strips, some functionals there as well as a few decorative ones there. We have this one with a large sticker down the side, the days of the week there, remember, some more decorative stickers fitted in between as well, and this one which has the bigger washi style strips, some boxes, and then numbers as well if you want to use it for monthly. So that is the two sticker kits that I got. Again, you can get this in various sizes depending what you want. Next up I have these cute little stickers here with a planner girl on them. They are so cute. I also got a glitter name, and you can request whatever you want for those. And then finally I have my little free sampler with the new summery designs that are available in the shop as well. So there's ice cream and strawberries in Vellum, I think, as well as these stickers. And finally I have my loyalty stickers. So once you've got a card, you just stick these on and then you get money off once you fill your card up. If you want to get hold of a loyalty card, if you join the Facebook group, I'll leave a link to that as well. And there's also exclusive discounts over in the Facebook group as well. So thanks for joining me today. Don't forget 10Sarah if you do want to order anything from Fab Planner Print, and have a great day everyone. Bye!